Are you looking for the best Wi-Fi robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Wi-Fi robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Shark ION Robot Vacuum AV753. The Shark ION Robot Vacuum AV753 offers a tri-brush system for cleaning debris on all surfaces, and is capable of running for up to 120 minutes. It's fully integrated into your home, sensing ledges, stairs, and potential stuck situations. The Shark Clean app allows for easy control and scheduling from your phone, and it works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Built and tested for reliability, the package includes the Shark ION robot, charging dock, side brushes, and filter. What we like: 3 brush types for comprehensive cleaning on all surfaces. Up to 120-minute runtime for whole home cleaning. Integrates with your home, avoiding obstacles and potential stuck situations. Number 2. Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum. Effortlessly clean under furniture with the Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum. Its unique brushless suction port ensures that pet hair and dirt go into the dustbin easily, and the vacuum offers 4 clean modes including auto, spot, edge, and zigzag. You can control it with the Lefant app or Alexa, and it has upgraded FreeMove Technology 2.0 to detect probable stuck areas and adjust the cleaning path automatically. With a long battery life and a 12-month warranty, this vacuum is perfect for families with pets. The Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum is perfect for households with pets and busy schedules. Customers rave about its ability to clean hardwood floors, tiles, and low-pile carpets with ease, and its slim design allows it to clean under furniture seamlessly. Customers also appreciate the vacuum's long battery life and the fact that it can be controlled through the Lefant app or Alexa. Overall, the Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum is a great investment for anyone looking to cut down on cleaning time. What we like: effortlessly cleans under furniture. Unique brushless suction port ensures pet hair and dirt go into dustbin easily. 4 cleaning modes including auto, spot, edge, and zigzag. Can be controlled through Lefant app or Alexa. Upgraded FreeMove Technology 2.0 detects probable stuck areas and adjusts cleaning path automatically. Long battery life. Number 3. ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The ZCWA Vacuum Mop Combo offers a versatile cleaning solution for your home. Its 2-in-1 functionality allows you to vacuum and mop simultaneously, making it perfect for various hard floor surfaces. You can easily schedule cleaning sessions and adjust modes via the Tuya Smart app, which also supports voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant. With its advanced obstacle avoidance technology, this robot can navigate around furniture and stairs, ensuring a thorough clean. Plus, its slim design allows it to reach tight spaces, keeping your home spotless without any hassle. What we like: 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. Smart app and voice control. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Long runtime and self-charging. Number 4. MAMNV T7S Robot Vacuum and Mop. The MAMNV T7S Combo Vacuum offers a seamless cleaning experience with its dual function of vacuuming and mopping. You can easily manage your cleaning tasks through the Smart app or remote control, allowing you to customize settings like cleaning direction and suction power. With 4 distinct cleaning modes, you can select the best option for your specific needs, making it versatile for various surfaces. Plus, the long battery life means you can clean large areas without interruption, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your space. What we like: 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. Smart app and remote control. Multiple cleaning modes. Long battery runtime. Number 5. Shark AV2501 AE AI Robot Vacuum with XL Self-Empty Base. The Shark AV2501 AE AI Robot Vacuum with XL Self-Empty Base is perfect for pet owners and those who want deep cleaning coverage. The vacuum has incredible suction and uses matrix clean navigation to ensure no spot is missed. With a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of debris, the vacuum also features precision home mapping and is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The robot vacuum runs for up to 120 minutes and has a recharge and resume feature. What we like: no hair tangles. XL HEPA self-empty base. LiDAR navigation. Compatible with Alexa. No daily vacuuming required.